There were so many stunning looks of Deepika Padukone from the movie Om Shanti Om, but I chose the most trendy and famous Shanti Priya's climax scene look. Let's not waste time and move towards the video. Starting with the little hydration, I am applying serum all over the face. With the help of the fingertips, I am making it absorbed by the skin. Leave it for some time to fully dry. For eye base, I am using my favorite Tarte Shape Tape Concealer because it is full coverage, blendable formula. Most importantly, it is crease proof. You can use any other full coverage concealer or a specific eye base for this purpose. Blending the concealer with good blending brush. Setting it with some loose setting powder. Always dust off excess loose powder from the area. Although this movie is 17 years old, but this look still looks fresh and trendy. For brows, I'm gonna be using Rivage Brow Pencil in shade black. Knowingly, Deepika Padukone's brows were not so thick at that particular time. That's why it didn't bother me much to get perfect brow shape. So I am focusing on filling the sparse areas only. I have an advantage of having spoolie brush at the other end of this brow pencil. Smudging harsh lines with spoolie brush is necessary to get natural brow shape. As you can see in the Deepika Padukone's eye makeup, a little pop of pink is there. And that bold, stunning winged eyeliner is the game changer to get trendy 70s look. I started from the outer corner of the eye with a light pink matte eyeshadow, keeping it within the eye space. For beginners, it is the most suitable area of the eye to start eyeshadow application for crease building. Blending it all the way to inner side of the eyes. With the help of fluffy blending brush, I am blending in sweeping back and forth motion. Continue to do so until you get desired results. As I always say in my previous videos that blending is crucial for eyeshadow application. Now I am picking some dark pink shade to pop the crease area more and blending it to mix with the previous light pink shade, making a transition of pink colors on crease area. After done with the crease area, I am applying some shimmer gold eyeshadow with the fingertip to make the center of the eyelid pop more. Now it's time to tightline the upper waterline with the help of Kajal pencil. I am using Maybelline Kajal pencil because it is soft and produce less friction on the sensitive area of upper waterline. In this particular eye makeup look, 70s signature bold winged eyeliner plays an important role. So I chose Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner for this purpose because it's jet black pigmented soft formula and most importantly it's blendable and easy to apply. Starting with small strokes along the upper lash line, keeping it as close to the lash line as possible to avoid mess and mistakes. In case if your gel eyeliner gets dry during application, add a drop of Inglot Duraline in your gel. It will make it soft and creamy again. Believe me, it is really important product to keep in your vanity. Once the liner has applied on the whole lid along the lash line, I started to create wing. I am using gentle and small strokes, taking my time to apply eyeliner. Do not hurry in case of eyeliner application. Always remember this. Before moving further, I always prefer to clean my under eye area to remove eyeshadow fallout during eye makeup. That's why I always prefer eye makeup first. Now preparing the skin for foundation application. I always prefer to use e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer because it blurs the pores perfectly, hydrates the skin a little bit and also grips the foundation beautifully. This is Root Cosmetics Fabulous Concealer Wheel. It has all the shades that I use professionally for color correction. I am doing spot correction in mostly the areas where discoloration is present, like my under eyes. Also applying on the sides of the nose which are a little bit darker than my original skin tone, mostly due to blood capillaries peeking through skin. Blending and melting the product with the fingertip is a good technique. Moving towards foundation, Milani Concealer Perfect Foundation is full coverage, buildable and blendable formula, and it gives not so matte, just say soft matte finish. I am applying in dots, just the little amount I needed, because I don't need full coverage from it. As for this look, I want to make it as natural as possible. Using Damn Beauty blender to blend this foundation, soft dabbing motion is enough to blend this. If you apply too much pressure, it will cause patches and traces of sponge application. And also remember, don't drag the beauty sponge on the skin because it will mix the correction area with the foundation and change the overall shade of the foundation. This concealer is also from Milani Cosmetics. I'm only applying concealer in the areas where the correction was done and brightening high planes of the face. As you can see, I am blending under eye area all the way to the high area of cheeks. This technique not only brightens the under eye area but also lifts the cheekbone. Lighter shade concealer application on nasal bridge creates an illusion of slim and sleek nose. Similarly, light shade of concealer also used to highlight the center of forehead to make it look narrower. Blending concealer on chin and the cupid bow and little bit here and there. This is my favorite cream blush from Luscious Cosmetics, Blush Crush. I am starting with the apples of cheeks and then blending all the way up to the high bone of the cheeks, giving cheeks pinky flush as the look requires. And then I am setting it with some powder blush also. This is NYX setting spray in dewy finish. It locks the makeup and gives hydrating effect. I always dab with damp beauty sponge after setting spray to merge spray with the base makeup. To add dimensions and some warmth to the face, I am using bronzer on the areas where I used to have contour. For this subtle, natural look, I am not using contour technique, instead giving warmth with bronzer powder. I also sculpt my nose with the bronzer. In my opinion, you should always start lip color application with lip liner pencil. Using soft pencil, carefully draw the lips boundaries. Lip pencil helps to prevent lipstick to bleed and also defines the lips. This is Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. In fact, it's my holy grail lip color so far. It's transfer proof, smudge proof, waterproof, lasts all day long, smooth and creamy application, doesn't crack while smiling or eating, and whatnot. My tried and tested lip colors of all. Some mascara application will enhance the eye look. I will apply false lashes behind the camera. Now let's enhance under eye area with matte pink eyeshadow that I use in crease. It will create youthful effect on overall eye look. I am moving the small smudge brush back and forth to blend eyeshadow completely. Applying black eyeshadow along the lash line with flat top shader brush. It will define the eyes and will give the illusion of big eyes. Now moving towards setting the makeup. I am using Laura Mercier loose translucent powder with Real Technique big powder brush to lock in the base. These two are just perfect for powder setting overall face. Setting base makeup doesn't mean to make it overly powdery. Just a tad bit of dusting is enough. And here is the finished look. You know, I'm not good at self hairstyling, but believe me, I have tried really harder to get this hairstyle done. I hope in the future I would be able to record hairstyle video also. I have filmed this video after a long break because I was busy in making some efforts for the betterment of my home-based salon. You guys just stay with me and support me. Love yourselves and take care of yourselves. Bye.